Hi everyone, this is Brittany Hamilton again, and last time we worked on section 1 of the project portfolio. Today we're going to look at section 2, which should be the awards and recognition. So first thing, go ahead and add your name up at the top. That's just in case it'll be on each page. In case a page ends up getting separated from the others, we know who this belongs to. So let's talk about awards and recognition. This top part is your Wyoming 4-H Annual Achievement. I'm gonna share with you what the state office has. What that is each year our 4-H members have the opportunity to earn the level of green, silver, and gold, and they get points associated with which level they earn that goes towards their count for earning enough points to be in the Wyoming 4-H Honors Club program. And I'll explain here in just a minute what that kind of is. And it requires 19 points. So these accumulate over the 4-H career of each member, and it works towards their Wyoming Honors Club entry. So let me show you what it takes to earn these different levels really quick. I don't think that this is well known to anyone hardly anymore, but I'm on the state Wyoming 4-H page and in the achievement programs. So 4-H members in the achievement program, this is what it takes to earn green. The member has turned in all the required enrollment materials, so you've re-enrolled on 4-H Online. Their member has behaved in an appropriate manner for all 4-H activities, events, and meetings, enrolled in at least one project, and the member is in at least one club or is approval of their 4-H educator to not be in the club. So green is the lowest level. 0 points are accumulated for the year, and this is where it starts. And then from there, the member to earn silver needs to meet this criteria, plus needs to be able to do these things, and then gold, it meets green and silver and does these. Again, you can find that on the uwyo.edu 4-H page at the state website, and I can also email this out. These points accumulate. You need 19 to enter into the Wyoming State Honors Club members, and that's something that you can put on resumes. If you're a senior applying for scholarships, that's always something to put on there for awards and recognition on your resume. And I know that the state office, this is the highest achievement that a 4-H member can achieve through 4-H. And I know that the state office is currently working on a rewards program that goes with this that may be able to put money towards some trips for the people that make it into the State Honors Club. But as of right now, they get a really nice certificate and a very cool pin or pendant that is very unique and special to the Honors Club. So it's kind of cool. So just explaining what that is, let's go back into our portfolio really quick. So in this section, that's where you're going to record what you earned for the year. I have back until 2017. I'll show you. I keep that in a spreadsheet for everybody, and I can tell you what you earned from 2017 and 18. And then I will assign ones for this year based on that criteria I just showed you. So if you have questions on what you are for 2017 and 18, I have those, but you would just record the year, so 2018, and what you earned that year, so gold. And that is what you record in this section, and this section only is just what you earned for your annual achievement that year. Down here is where we will list any additional awards or recognition on projects that you may have received, or if you received an award within your club. And it's not just for it's not for blue, purple, red, or 5th place or 6th place. You should have recorded that probably in section 1, like it says right here. This section is if you won like champion, reserve champion, or any of our special awards that you get in statics, for example. So maybe you won, let's go ahead and add one right here. And you're going to want to start from your like oldest and put your newest here at the top. So maybe I'll start down here. And if you remember something that you got from a previous year, oops, it's not 2301 yet, 2017, in October, maybe you were the outstanding teen leader for that year. And let's go ahead and say in 2018, you got, oops, probably August, you received the Reserve Overall Grand Champion STEM exhibit. That's what you're going to want to put in this category. And then we'll go ahead and add like 2019. Let's say that your club has special awards. So maybe they did a fundraiser, and in July, they awarded the top fundraiser of the year award. That's what you're going to want to put here. Any big awards that you received in 4-H or through 4-H, you're going to want to put here. Again, like outstanding club member, reserve champion, most improved, any of those would go in here. Any of our special awards for statics or animals would go in here too. So let's say August, let's say I had the grand champion market beef. And let's say that I also had the top overall foods exhibit junior. Those are just some examples of bigger awards that you would put here. Again, put your ribbons in section 1. That's where those should go. And that should be section 2. And you're done. This one, you only have to do once, and I would save this and build on it through the years. So you just would save this so that you can just add to it the next year and don't have to redo all of this. And then you have a really nice record of some awards and recognition that you received. This is, you only do one section 2. Like for section 1, you had to do a section 1 for each project. Section 2 is a cumulative, and you just do it once. So if you guys have any questions on this, be sure to let me know. Anyway, but that is section 2.